Don't let this happen to you. A simple solution to keep from having this end up all over you is to always make sure you're wearing gloves, is to make sure that when you attach your hose to your sewer outlet, all of the prongs are attached to your hose. Normally it's the back one that's missed. So you put it on and turn it and you think it's on there, but the back one is off, so it's not real tight. And then I always pull the gray to make sure I don't have any leakage. Once I know I'm good and secure here, then I will open up my black tank and complete my flush cycle. The other area that you want to make sure that you have a good connection on is the business end of your sewer hose. This is where everything goes into the ground, and most of these have threads, so you can turn or screw your elbow in so that it doesn't pop out. Normally that first gush of water and pressure will pop this out. If the threads are not in good repair, you may need to use a donut. This is a sewer hose donut. You just jam that down in there, then you take your elbow and you jam it in here. It's nice and tight and it holds it in place.
Think this could never happen to you? Well, a lot of people have thought that too right before the big splash.